Time to start the fire. I'm using the log cabin technique to get a nice blaze going quickly. Start by arranging large logs in a square, leaving space in the center for airflow and kindling. Once that's done, light it and add your kindling. Give the fire enough time to get going. It should take around 30 minutes for it to be ready. To prepare the marinade, first cut a couple of lemons in half and squeeze out the juice using a manual juicer. Put the juice into a small bowl and add a drizzle of olive oil. Season all of that with 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 2 teaspoons of cumin. After mixing it up, it's good to go. Brush it onto the fish, making sure it's fully covered. Once the fire's burning strong, spread the coals inside the pit to evenly distribute the heat. And then place the grill on top. Carefully place the fish on the grill. That sizzle is exactly what you want to hear. Keep an eye on the fish because the temperature is intense. I'll give the fish a couple of minutes per side. Then we're going to brush the fish with some more marinade to make sure it's nice and tasty. Once the fish has been carefully turned over and cooked for around 2 minutes per side, we serve it on a plate with some fresh arugula. A simply but delicious meal. This looks so good. Look at that, an easy and fast Dorado fish dinner with smoky flavors in less than 30 minutes.